March 23rd, blizzard. After a 70-degree day. It's crazy, man.
Explains a lot of why John Elway's sort of standing firm on his draft pick.
Just dumping on us. 70 degrees the past 2 days. And then now this blizzard. Gotta love Colorado.